Stop building a single AI prompt and start building an AI workforce. In 5 minutes, we're going to install Paperclip and give your business a heartbeat. Now, Paperclip is not like your ordinary chat like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, etc. This one is different because when you chat with it, you're actually creating issues. It's the idea to solve these issues by creating a type of project management tool. So when you chat with it, you're creating an issue and it starts off as a to-do work. So you got to do, in progress, and finish, just like a project management tool. So this is Paperclip, and it's an open source system that's free to start using. The only cost that you're going to have is the VPS where you're going to host this and the API usage, which is going to be way more affordable than paying for a month-to-month payment for a monthly service, okay? So to install Paperclip, I'm going to use the Hostinger Docker because it's going to be super easy to install. Now in this case, I'm already in my Hostinger dashboard, and to install this is going to be super easy. Let me show you the sponsor for this video, which is Hostinger. If you want to buy a VPS that's affordable and a great option to use Paperclip, this is the way to go. Just head on over to the link in the description, go to VPS, here we go, VPS hosting, and select the VPS plan that you want to use for your Paperclip installation. Now be aware that you can install multiple applications, not just Paperclip, so it's a great option to use. In this case, I'm going to use KVM2, which has 2 CPU cores and 8 GB of RAM, which is going to be more than enough for my use case. Okay, now once we're here, Hostinger is going to ask you how many months do you want to pay in advance. I recommend 24 months because you're going to lock in the lowest price and the lowest renewal price. If you click on have a coupon code, the price is going to reduce even more. So type in SaaS Master or paste it in and apply it, and the price is going to drop to $194.18. So use my coupon code if you plan to grab a VPS, all right? Now, to install Paperclip on the VPS, once you have your VPS here on Hostinger, jump over to your dashboard, head over to VPS, select the VPS where you have the Docker Manager, and this is where we're going to jump to, Docker Manager, and we're going to compose a brand new application. Now be aware that you'll be able to install multiple applications and not just Paperclip in the Docker. So for example, I got OpenClaw in this one and 2 Paperclip installations. Now I'm going to go ahead and install one right now. One-click deploy. I'm going to search for Paperclip. I'm going to select this and I'm going to set the details here. So I'm going to set my admin email. Here's the password. If you don't copy the password now, don't worry, you can grab it afterwards and I'll show you where, okay? Then add your API key from any of these AI companies and you'll be good to go. Remember, you'll just have to pay for the VPS and the API usage. And that is going to kick off the brand new installation. And just like that, you'll be able to deploy this right now. So let me go ahead and show you how this is going to work right now. Let me go into Open right here. And this is a brand new installation, so I need to log in. So here's my email. And to grab the password, in case you didn't grab it, go ahead and go into Manage. And in Manage, go to Environment. Here it is. Go ahead and click on it. And here's the admin password. Let's go ahead and click on the I. Let's go ahead and copy this and jump over to Paperclip. Let's go ahead and sign in. Here we go. And this is a brand new installation, so it's going to ask for the name of my company. In this case, I'm going to say it's SaaS. The mission and goal of the company is optional. I'll skip it for now. Then the agent option. So in this case, it's going to be a CEO. Then have the option to use Claude or Codex or something else. In Codex, for example, I'll use GPT. Let's just say Nano for this purpose. Be aware that you do need the API key, so don't forget to add that, all right? Now that is for the initial installation, and then we are ready to go to start using it. Be aware that Paperclip is like a project management tool, but fully AI based. So you're not chatting with it, you're actually creating issues to solve these issues. So you got agents. In this case, here's the primary agent. We're going to say next. I'm not going to set this up right now, but I do recommend that you take some time and set that up. Okay. So if I want to kick off a brand new issue, it's right here. So you can see it's not called chat. It's called issue. Why? Because we're going to title our issue. We're going to describe our issue. We are going to assign the issue to a specific agent that's going to be perfect for that use case. And I also have the option to set this to do, in progress, in review, the priority for this. I can label this, I can upload, I can set a start date and a due date, just like a project management tool, but fully AI based. So it's fantastic for this purpose. Now I have the option to create routines, goals, the projects. I'll be able to create new projects here. I'll be able to create new agents from here too. So I can ask my CEO to create an agent or do it manually straight from here. Then I got my organization details, my skills, my cost for the usage, activity, and the settings. So getting started right now with Paperclip with the one-click install on Hostinger is a fantastic option. So if you want to install really quickly and without a hassle Paperclip, this is a fantastic way to do so. Just use the Hostinger Docker. So I hope you like this video. Please let me know here in the comments what you think about the installation and what you would like to see in the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that's a wrap.